Alright, so we're at Beersel Castle. Kind of just stumbled across this one, so we weren't really prepared for a dragon quest, but we did make some efforts.
Yes.
What's unique about this castle from all other castles we've seen since we've been here in Europe is it's got a moat. Look at that.
Yes.
So we're not inclined to think that there were any dragons here, because it's also in the middle of the city and it's not really high in elevation. So we really don't think there were any dragons here, but we think that there may have been a dragon owner. What's that?
Look at that pit. So damn.
It's like a basement, I think.
It's more damage.
Yeah? I mean, it's possible. I mean, frankly, anything's possible, but...
They're Egyptian geese.
Egyptian geese?
Yes.
What are they doing way up here? think they got lost. Ooh.
See the water? See dogs. People fishing. People are fishing. I feel really good to fish.
Whoa, it's magic. We're going out. Let's go. Careful.
Oh my god, I gotta touch the wall.
So this courtyard would have been a good location for a dragon to land, but we're really not seeing anything. There is a star here in the middle. You see this star? Huh? Ever, you see this star? Yeah. It's a star in the middle. But doesn't look like it was big enough, high enough. Frankly, it looks a little bit too fancy. Or at least, you know, it was too fancy back in the day. Well, we don't see anything here. We're gonna head out and we're gonna go do our research and see what we can find, right, buddy? Huh? Yeah. So in the meantime, what do we do?
Click the subscribe button.
That's right. Click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Stick around, because we're gonna be back next week with some more Dragon Quest.